Jello instant pudding is a popular dessert option for many people, but if you have a gluten intolerance or celiac disease, you may be wondering if this dessert is safe for you to eat. In this video, we will examine the ingredients and manufacturing processes used to make Jello instant pudding to determine whether or not it is gluten-free. What is gluten? Gluten is a protein that is found in wheat, barley, and rye. It is used in many food products as a binding agent to help hold food together. For people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance, ingesting gluten can cause a range of symptoms, from digestive issues to fatigue and headaches. Ingredients in Jello instant pudding. The ingredients in Jello instant pudding vary depending on the flavor, but most varieties contain the following: sugar, modified food starch, disodium phosphate, tetrasodium pyrophosphate, salt, artificial flavor, and artificial color. Some flavors may also contain cornstarch or soy protein. Does Jello instant pudding contain gluten? According to the Jello website, the majority of their instant pudding flavors are gluten-free. The only flavors that contain gluten are the ones that are made with wheat flour, such as their chocolate pudding mix. The company states that they take the issue of gluten-free labeling very seriously and they ensure that their products meet the FDA's guidelines for gluten-free labeling. Manufacturing processes for Jello instant pudding. Jello instant pudding is made in a facility that also processes wheat, barley, and rye, which are common sources of gluten. However, the company takes steps to ensure that their gluten-free products are not cross-contaminated with gluten-containing products. They have strict protocols in place for cleaning and sanitizing their equipment and for separating gluten-free products from gluten-containing products. Is Jello instant pudding safe for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance? Based on the information available, it appears that Jello instant pudding is safe for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance to consume. However, it is always best to check with your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure that the food you are eating is safe for you to consume. Additionally, you should always read the label and check for any warnings or allergens before consuming any food product. Jello instant pudding is a delicious dessert option that can be enjoyed by people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. The majority of flavors are gluten-free, and the company takes steps to ensure that their products are not cross-contaminated with gluten-containing products. As with any food product, it is important to read the label and check for any warnings or allergens before consuming. If you have any concerns or questions about the safety of Jello instant pudding for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance, it is best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian.